What's going on, guys? We will be opening a new toy. Look at that beast. Inferno GT2 race spec. Time to open it up. It's fire. Okay, one thing only. There's a remote in here, some tools. Wow, this thing is a beast. It's way bigger than what I thought.
Hey, you good?
Good.
Oh, yeah. This is a really big car. That is a really big car. Oh my god, that thing is huge. Look at that, that thing is a beast. See, I'll get you guys closer.
Alright guys, look at this beautiful Mercedes-Benz body. Hold on, let me get the, there we go. This thing looks absolutely amazing. I love real cars, like real race cars. I'm a huge fan. I absolutely love this. Got the front lip. Look at that massive rear wing. Thing looks crazy. Some insane air over there. This thing looks crazy. Body looks perfect. Look at the rear diffuser, guys. Wow, this thing is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Let's get that body off and let's see how it looks underneath. Put that amazing body there. Brand new Kyosho Inferno GT2. Look at this, beautiful. 2-speed transmission. Oh, this thing smells really good too. And this truck comes with the same engine as my USA 1. Is a KE25 SP2 Kyosho. This is an awesome engine. Let's feel. Let's see how, where is that? It feels like in the middle, or where it is. Let's see. Oh, it's almost at the top. I don't like it like that. Hold on. That's where it should be. Nice, and it always should be able to spin freely. This thing looks amazing. Let's see how it looks underneath. Wow, this thing looks just beautiful. Alright guys, I will clean this mess, put the body on, I'll take some pictures. I'm in love. I'll catch up with you guys later. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments below.